This is the fourth in a series of instructional videos on how to utilize the MyLab Desk software. This software is useful in reviewing ultrasound images remotely from a personal computer or laptop. Here we'll be discussing review functionality. Once a study has been opened, its first image will be displayed in the center of the screen. In the upper right-hand corner, the functions available in image review are displayed. Here are the image review functions. The first button is the review button, which will open and close the selected study from the archive list. Number 2 will display the study list. Number 3 will synchronize any cine loops within the study. Number 4 is multi-image and can toggle the display from a 1x1 to a 4x4 format. And number 5 allows comparison between two images within a study or two images from separate studies. From the study list, clicking on Image Review will open the study, displaying the first image in the center of the screen. Clicking again on Patient List will return you to the list where a different study can be selected. In the upper right corner, the multi-image function will change the display format from a single image to a 4x4 display. Clicking on the function again will return to the 1x1 format. Here's an example of a 4x4 multi-image display. In the upper right corner, the multi-image button appears dark, denoting that it is active. Just to recap, in multi-image, select the study you wish to review, click the review button to open the study, click the multi-image button to toggle between the 1x1 or 4x4 display format. Click again to return to the 1x1 format. Clicking on the review icon will exit the multi-image view. Images can be compared from within the same study or from separate studies by clicking on the Image Compare button in the upper right. The image which is displayed will be indicated by the icon on the thumbnail. In this example, two images from the same study are displayed side by side. If these images were from separate studies, the second study would display in the thumbnail panel adjacent to the first. In Image Compare, there are some individual functions. These functions allow you to change layout, synchronize any cine loops, pan the image and reset any changes made to the image display. A Cine Loop can be played. A toolbar for Cine Loop playback can be displayed. The 7th button will select the first frame if contrast media has been used. And the last button adjusts the image brightness and contrast. Here's a recap of image comparison. Click the Image Compare button. Click the image to review from the thumbnail panel. Use the mouse to drag and drop the image into the desired window. And repeat this process to add images to the other window.